Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a rounded wall in your project and a house with a round or arched ceiling and roof. We will start with a rounded wall. Create a room, click on Catalogue and type in semi-cylinder. Choose the hollow semi-cylinder floor duct and paste it next to a wall. Now resize it, rotate it, and resize it again so it's touching both of the opposite walls. This will help us to achieve a rounded wall effect. Now click on Wall tool and we will draw wall by wall, trying to copy the semi-cylinder shape. Keep the small pink square on the edge of a semi-cylinder. Now delete the semi-cylinder and unwanted walls. Now we can place windows in each of these walls. I will choose black frameless picture window. Now switch to 3D. After applying different textures and furnitures, this is the effect that you should achieve. And that's how it will look after taking a render. Now I will show you how you can create a rounded ceiling. Again, draw a room and switch to 3D mode. Now click on Create New Product tool and Rectangle tool. Trace over one of the walls and now by using Arc tool, create an arch. Now by using push and pull out the arched shape towards opposite wall. Again by using push and pull, remove these parts. Create an offset and push this part inside. Click on Done. Click again on Create New Product tool and create another rectangle. And create the same arch. We will create a window out of it. When you have your window ready, click on Done. Now switch back to 2D. Click on a wall, click on Edit, and bring all your walls down to 0. Switch back to 3D Go to Texture and type in Invisible Material. You can apply invisible material on the ceiling. Now choose Textures for the interiors, Glass Material for window, and choose the color frame. This is how the rounded ceiling and roof house looks like in 3D. And this is how it looks after rendering. And just for a reminder, this is the rounded wall house. Hope you will find this video useful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.